Hello everyone, this is a Chatgpt tutorial for any beginner. So we'll be doing step by step from opening a new AI account to logging into and using Chatgpt. And next would be advanced prompts. So firstly, let's browse to chat.openai.com, and if you don't already have a login with OpenAI, then you can select sign in for a brand new account. Next would be, now you can simply log in with any of your mail ID or Google or any Microsoft account. This will need an ID, password, and a two-step verification process. So now that you'll be adding your ID and your password, you'll have two-step verification. That is, you're going to get a code on your number, WhatsApp number. Now since we have logged in, the first thing is to know that this is free. So we have a free version as well as the paid version. Here also they have a safeguard in place, because there are any occasions when the chat gpt might generate incorrect or misleading information. So we have to be aware of that. Next, it is only also trained until last few years, so which it has a limited knowledge of the world, like events that has been placed after. And so now we are gonna use this prompt box for, we can enter any kind of message or a prompt. uh, Also, I'll show you how to be precise, and so basically when we give a question regarding anything we need to ask for example, say give me 10 names suggesting for my websites on clothing. So it will give us immediate answers. And so here we have, it's given us, show here 10 creative and catchy names suggesting for your clothing websites. So it's given us stylehub.com, chicthreads.com, fashionfusion.com, trendversion.com, and there are many more. So this would be something very generic. So now we're gonna edit and make it a precise phrase. So precise phrased would be, again, give me 10 names suggesting for an Indian website on clothing. So this would give us precise answers. For example, like it's given us saying desidrapes.com, ethnic elegance, sarisaga.com, traditionaltrove.in, indie glamour, kurta kaftans. So yeah, this is what we have. And this is how this chat gpt works. So here we could improve your prompting skills and explore much more. And since we are done with the video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you.